Good morning, Passport holders. Today is August 19th, 2015, day 292 of the vlogs, and today is off to a kind of slow start. That's stated because of the time zone differences and the way that my body clock's all screwed up. I'm up like way before I normally would be. I mean, I think it's barely 8:15, 8:30 right now. Let's do a final check on that. Yeah. So, kind of, like, I'm not sure what's going on and why, so yeah, but I'm running with it for now. Today's going to be a pretty kind of chilled out day in my side of things because I've got a lot of things that I need to get caught up on. I've got emails that I need to send out to basically everyone who has offered me a place to stay on the East Coast and through the northern Midwest. I'm basically from here to Maine to Iowa, with stops in Ohio and Toronto and potentially Chicago and obviously Westby, Wisconsin. I will be heading back to see Trevor and Tara and the kids, which I'm super pumped about. But I've got so much of that stuff to do, plus I've got a ton of other things to do and the vlog editing. So I don't know if I'm going to be getting out this morning. I may get out this afternoon to go and do something fun, just to kind of get a better feel for the town and kind of the area surroundings. And yeah, so that's going to kind of be the day. I mean, I'm not expecting this one to be a big, huge adventure vlog, especially given the fact that once the family gets home, we've got basically the full rundown of all the things that I need to be doing while they're gone. So that, and then I think that they just generally want to catch up with me some more because one of the members of the family is not here. He was traveling for work and he'll be home later tonight. So gotta make sure that I make a good impression there. Alright guys, hope you're having a good one. Let's get it started. Alright, well, we're here driving around trying to get some bearings for me as you know, this all happens, but we are going to cross the river here, and that will make South Carolina the 30th state, all things said and done, although it's raining so much that I don't know if we're going to be able to see the sign here, but we'll give it a shot and see how it all goes. And there it is, South Carolina, Aiken County, state number 30.
Walk around that. I've been in here in years. I did my glasses, so I can't even see what I'm taking pictures of.
Here at Sacred Heart, this is an old church, but it's been converted into kind of like a community center, for lack of a better term. Lots of events go on here. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm certainly not a religious person, but I can appreciate the artwork that goes on in here and what the venue can be used for. So definitely appreciative of it all, and really thankful that my host brought me over here in order to check it out before they all bounce out of town tomorrow. So should be good, and yeah, let's hope for a good rest of the day. I don't know what we've got planned. Well guys, the night has kind of gotten away from me. I've been hanging out and just having lots of discussions. It's one of those things that happens from time to time, especially on these house sits, where you just gotta make everybody feel comfortable and get everybody on the same page before travel starts. Somehow, some way, schedules either got changed or I didn't understand things. Yeah. We've got another day here with the family, which is not unwelcome. They've been amazing to just hang out with. So just continuing to try and get it. I apologize that I didn't record a ton today, but we just spent a ton of time just talking and getting to know one another and having a good experience. You know, building that trust really matters in a house sit. So thank you guys for your patience. Hopefully as things continue to move forward, I'll be able to do some things on my own and include you guys in that, and then on top of that, eventually, yeah, this house sit will get started and things will settle down, especially now that I'm starting to get all the business stuff kind of finished off, because there was a bunch of it that I couldn't do over the last couple of days. So I'm just trying to knock all of that off so that I can be all caught up, and then when this house sit does kick off, I can do cool and fun things here in Georgia and South Carolina. I'm really looking forward to it. So thank you guys for your time and attention. I sincerely appreciate them both. And remember, you never stumble upon opportunity by standing still, so go do cool stuff. Bye for now.